One of the other game theories you can do, kind of with the novelty aspect, what do people brew well in your area? Does everybody brew a fantastic IPA? Don't brew IPAs. The last contest I was in, about 400 total entries, there was 40, 45 IPAs. That's a lot of competition. There's gonna be a lot of people that are good at that. Maybe nobody's big on Belgians. Can you brew a good Belgian? You'll stand out. Maybe you can go to the harder styles, like a German lager. Those are really hard to brew. People are appreciating those more and more these days. I was part of a contest where a Pilsner, a German Pilsner, won. And you think about palate fatigue, you think about how a German Pilsner is kind of a quiet beer compared to some others, but the process and the clarity and the crispness was so good that it won. And there weren't many lagers in that competition. Use some game theory. We can get even trickier than that. We talked about bottles and sanitizing them. At the end of the day, sanitizing a bottle can be challenging, right? Who knows what's left in there? Who knows what chemicals you're using? I judged a category, it was milk stouts. Now, a milk stout has lactose in it. What is lactose? Lactose is sugar that cannot be fermented by beer yeast. So what does that mean? Even if you have a little bit of bacteria or something, wild yeast in that bottle, it now has a food source that the regular beer yeast cannot touch. So it can explode and just take over the entire bottle. So you have to be super careful about your sanitizing. But if you are, and you enter that category, you might have a leg up. I judged the category once, and out of about 9 milk stouts, 7 were infected. Cracked them open, they gushed, right? If you're in that category that has these kind of little technical difficulties that you can master, you've got an advantage. Now, I've also judged it where they were all fine, but think about these things. You like stouts? Maybe try a milk stout. There's areas that are underserved with game theory within the categories that you can use to your advantage. To learn more on how to win a beer competition, please click the link below.